Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you a quick and easy way to make your own hand sanitizer using only a few household ingredients. You can choose not to wear gloves and a mask, but I do recommend wearing one because the fumes can be very irritating to your skin and nose. Also, you have to sanitize the surface you're making your hand sanitizer on so it doesn't get contaminated. When you're making your hand sanitizer, please make sure to check that the alcohol you're using is at least 91%, because anything less than that can dilute the hand sanitizer too much and cause it to lose its antibacterial effect. This is because alcohol kills viruses and bacteria by dissolving the cell layer around its DNA or RNA that leads to the death of the cell. Your hand sanitizer needs to be at least 2 part alcohol, that is 91% to 99%, and 1 part aloe vera gel. What this means is that if you have a 3 fluid ounce bottle, like what I do right here, it needs to be filled up 2/3 of the way with alcohol and 1/3 of the way with aloe vera gel. If your hand sanitizer is too watery or dry, add more alcohol if it's too dry and add more aloe vera gel if it's too watery, but still keep it 2 part alcohol and 1 part aloe vera gel. After that, stir it for about 5 minutes and add essential oils until you like the smell. You can choose not to add essential oils, but I do recommend doing so because without the essential oils, it smells pretty irritating. Pour it in your bottle and test it out if you see you like it. Don't worry if it doesn't go well for you the first time, because I also had to try a second time to get it right. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe and let me know what to do in the comments.